When is it necessary to cover food with aluminum foil during baking, roasting? Often a recipe calls for covering a dish while it bakes. I understand that this can help to trap steam. How do you know when it's necessary to use aluminum foil when baking a dish without a recipe? What are the other advantages of using aluminum foil to cover your dish while it's baking?
If it calls for tightly wrapping it, they're trying for steam. More than likely, they're just trying to shield the top from radiant energy, so the top doesn't brown before the whole thing is cooked through. If you're ever baking a cake, and it's starting to brown, but a toothpick is still coming out wet, I'll move it to a lower rack, and put a sheet pan on the rack above, to keep it from browning much further, but not seal it in such a way that it will steam the cake. As per the question, it is generally a matter of preventing the food from becoming overly dry. This is particularly an issue for dishes that call for a very long cooking time, or for foods that should be cooked at a high temperature but you don't want to have a crisp texture on the outside. As for other advantages, off the top of my head, one advantage is the ability to trap in other flavors, such as wrapping a baked potato in foil with olive oil, salt, pepper, etc. to season the skin.